Imagine your front desk staff spending part of every Monday morning tracking down members whose payments failed over the weekend. Awkward calls, missed connections, uncomfortable conversations. What if that entire process just handled itself? That is exactly the kind of work n8n was built to eliminate. n8n is a visual automation tool that connects the apps you already use. You build workflows by arranging boxes called nodes on a canvas, and each node does one specific job. Every workflow starts with a trigger, something that fires when a certain event happens. Then each node picks up the result from the previous one, does its job, and passes the result forward. The whole chain runs automatically, every time, without anyone watching it. Here is a real example for a gym. Your billing platform processes payments each night. When a payment fails, that event becomes your trigger. The first node checks your member database and pulls that person's name, email, and membership tier. The second node sends them a personalized email or SMS, not a cold generic message, but one that uses their name, explains exactly what happened, and gives them a direct link to update their payment method. The third node then calls your gym access system and pauses that member's key fob or app access until the payment is resolved. The moment they pay, a separate branch of the same workflow reactivates their access instantly. Without automation, that process might take your team 30 minutes per failed payment, assuming anyone even catches it the same day. With n8n running it, the whole thing happens in seconds, around the clock, including weekends and holidays, with no staff member making a single uncomfortable call. n8n connects to hundreds of tools your business already uses, things like Stripe, Mindbody, Twilio, Gmail, and Google Sheets. It runs continuously, and because you can host it yourself, your member data stays inside your own environment. You do not need to automate everything at once. Start with one workflow that removes one real headache and build from there. If you want this kind of automation running inside your business, PRISC Group builds it and runs it for you. See if a pilot program is a fit at PRISCgroup.com. Follow PRISC Group for more real automation builds. Automate relentlessly, ruthlessly.